Malawi Brief.
Welcome, Honorable Speaker-elect. Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran, Holy Bible, or do an affirmation? The Holy Quran. Thank you. Honorable Speaker-elect, you have to take oath of office, and you repeat after me. I,
Samir Gafar Suleiman,
swear that
I
will
well
and truly serve the Republic of Malawi
and truly serve the Republic of Malawi
in the office
of
Speaker of National Assembly,
Speaker of the National Assembly,
and will do right
and
justice
to
all manner of people,
in
accordance with the laws
and
usages of Malawi, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. So help me Allah. Thank you.
The Right Honourable Speaker has now been sworn in. The Deputy Chief Justice will now take leave of the chamber. Thank you.
Tsopano amene Deputy Chief Justice Love Chikopa atawalimbiritsa Honorable Suleiman kukhala Speaker kutuluka ndithu nyumba imeneyi pamene Honorable Suleiman akhala pampando tsopano ndi Speaker wa nyumba ya malamulo. Titha kutsimikiza tsopano kuti mchaka cha 2025 Speaker wa nyumba ya malamulo amene wasankhidwa ndiye Honorable Samia Suleiman.
Order. Honourable members, I need your attention. Honourable members, in accordance with the tradition of this House, I rise to submit myself to the will of the Assembly. I will now suspend the proceedings for a few minutes to allow me to robe. Let me request you, honourable members, to remain seated and until I'm back in the chamber. House suspended.